Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back again. This is the fifth lecture of gender studies for CSS and PCS. In this lecture we will discuss about the difference between gender studies and women studies. Let's start it. uh, if you see here that 1970s US, here it means that gender women studies, as discussed earlier, it was started in 1970s in the from the San Diego State University, New York. So women studies was started prior than gender studies, and the women studies, it is concerned with the issues of women, but gender studies focus on the all genders. Here you could say that focuses, I have just written focus for my lecture, so you could say that focuses on all genders. And thirdly, women studies focuses on the problems and struggles of women, whereas gender studies focuses on men's role in the women history. And women studies focuses on the women history, and it also focuses on the women literature, whereas gender studies focuses on the men's role in the literature. Lastly, uh, the women studies, it was started in 1970s, but the gender studies, it is was started laterly, and it has roots in women studies. But now women studies also come under the umbrella of gender studies. So the difference between gender studies and women studies is simple, that women studies is only concerned with the problems, history, issues, and the struggles that women made for achieving their social, political, and economic rights, whereas gender studies focuses on the issues of all the genders and their relationship in the society. And if we see that women studies was first, or it was started prior to the gender studies. So initially gender studies came from women studies, but at the moment women studies also come under the umbrella of gender studies, as gender studies has a wider scope and multidisciplinary nature. Thank you very much. Kindly ask any sort of question if you have in these 4 to 5 videos, so that I could get feedback, and that will also ease my problem. Thank you very much.